My way of writing my first ebook. In this video, I will tell you about the method that helped me write the first ebook for my information business. I used this book as a lead magnet to collect followers. By the way, the book is a great lead magnet for collecting followers. People subscribe to it well because it is a simple and clear information product for most people. In addition, you can download it to your computer and read it later. At the end of the video, I will show you my first ebook and tell you a little about it. But first, I will tell you the essence of my method of writing the book, so you can also use it to write your first or next ebook. By the way, my name is Dmitro, I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. I called my method from complex to simple. The essence of the method is that you first choose a niche that interests you. Next, choose a narrower topic in this niche. After that, you search the internet for a lot of information on this topic and collect it on your computer. Then you need to review the collected information and select the most valuable and useful material from it. From this material, you will create your book. Next, you need to structure this selected material into a logical sequence and present it in such a way as if you are telling this material to a child and your task is to make him understand it. That is, you make a concise synopsis and turn it into a simple step-by-step instruction for beginners. Thus, from a large amount of complex information, you create a simple ebook that even a child can understand. The main advantage of this method is that you can quickly create a popular and high-quality information product ebook on a topic even without having expertise in it. Yes, you are not inventing anything new. Everything has been invented for you a long time ago. You simply collect the most valuable and useful information in your opinion in your ebook and convey it in a simple and understandable form. And now I will show you my first ebook. This is what the book cover looks like. It is in the Russian language. It is called Reactive Start in Info Business. How did this book come about? When I first became interested in info business, I had no expertise in this topic. But this topic was interesting for me. Therefore, I began to study a lot of different information about it. I selected the most valuable material from what I learned, and based on this material I created a detailed instruction for beginners how they can quickly start in the info business with the help of affiliate info products. This instruction became the basis of my first book. Then I used this book as a lead magnet to gather followers. And a little later, when I gained even more experience in the topic, I released a new version of my book Reactive Start in Info Business 2.0, and even later versions 3.0, 4.0, 5.0 were released. This is how over time I gained experience and expertise, improved myself and improved my book. How do you like this approach? What do you think about it? Write in the comments. By the way, not so long ago I released the latest version of my first book and translated it into English. The book is called Rocket Start in Online Business Selling Info Products. I will leave a link to it in the description of this video. That's all I have for you today. I wish you a good day and great mood. Bye bye.